I got this.
Baseball trick shots. Wait.
Look out. Close.
This is the end.
It's a 99-mile-an-hour sinker here.